Have you ever accidentally joined a random class and just stayed? So I was waiting outside the recreation center for my friend. He said he'd be 5 minutes late. That turned into 20. I'm bored, standing near a water fountain, when this guy in a karate robe runs up and goes, "You're late! Let's go! Class already started!" Now, any normal person would say, "I think you have the wrong guy." But I said, "Oh yeah, sorry," and followed him inside. Next thing I know, I'm barefoot on a mat, surrounded by 10 kids, and one very intense instructor shouting things like, "Unleash the power!" I try to leave, but everyone's bowing, and I panic bow back. We start doing warm-ups. My jeans are not built for lunges. Some 7-year-old named Liam keeps correcting my form. The instructor calls me Grasshopper. Then comes the board-breaking demo. Instructor holds up a thin wooden board and says, "Channel your spirit. Strike with purpose." I don't even know how to punch, but I swing my arm, miss completely, lose balance, and accidentally headbutt the board in half. The room goes silent. Then everyone cheers like I'm a warrior monk. Class ends. The instructor claps me on the back and says, "You've got natural energy. See you next week." I respond with the only thing I can think of. "Absolutely, sensei. That was 6 weeks ago. I'm now a yellow belt." Liam still critiques me. And yesterday, I accidentally bowed to a Domino's delivery guy. I think this is my life now.